Today is an amazing day because we put together representatives from the industry, notified body, manufacturer, and of course member state. And all together we will look at the security requirement of CRA and understanding what are the difficulty of the technical implementation of this requirement that will be integrated into the harmonized standard. So the harmonized standards are important for the industry because you can set the baseline and minimum security requirement for the industry, and making sure that market surveillance, notified body, and manufacturer, they don't know, and they will know what are the technical requirement, the minimum security requirement that they need to implement within their product.
In this workshop, DINUI presents a real product and context to be analyzed according to CRA with several approaches and objectives. We will analyze how the application of CRA impacts a product, a company that manufactures and designs a product with digital elements, how it impacts in the product design process, and the management and responsibility when third-party elements are included in the product design. We will also analyze the information and support that must be provided to the user in order to how to configure the product to make it secure. DINUI considers CRA an opportunity to design more cyber-secure products.
Today, this event is very, very important because we're going to gather feedback from different organizations, SMEs, the industry, and this feedback will be used for the development of standards. It will inspire the experts that are working on the feedback. It is important to know that the CRA is the first of its kind regulations.
The perspective of the Spanish government is twofold because our roles are two. They could be described as the carrot and the stick. The carrot would be the notifying authority, which exists to ensure that there is an adequate ecosystem of certification and accreditation bodies that can address the demand for new certifications, both from Spanish manufacturers and from importers, which are very important in Spain, concretely in the European Union. On the other hand, the Market Surveillance Authority has to ensure that the products that are put into the market do comply with all these requisites, and this is done in two ways also. On one hand, there is a proactive research of the miscompliance, and on the other hand, there is a reactive actor when vulnerabilities appear.
The standardization is an open process, and it has to be a fair process. So we have National Committee in UNE, which mirrors all these European activities, and we are the platform to allow the Spanish stakeholders to take part into this standardization. So we are helping all the stakeholders. That means pymes, small and medium enterprises, that means administration, that means universities, and we are trying to boost, to promote, and to help them to take part and to lead there. And we have some cases of successful participation leading part of these topics.
Together with UNE, we are part of this project, Stand for CR, in order to support the implementation of CRA standardization course. It was a great experience being here. There are professionals from all around Europe and the Spanish stakeholders, of course. It was through these interactive workshops we had the opportunity to experience and share practices, to face and to identify the challenges and the difficulties raised by the standardization request and the development of standards.